Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about a new app that I've seen come out, and it's called What3Words. Basically, think of this just like GPS coordinates, but instead of using numbers, it uses words. To be honest, I thought it was kind of dumb when I first heard about it, but today we're going to talk about some of the reasons why you might want to look into switching to this. This segment used to be called Tailgate Talk. As you can see, I'm not on the tailgate of a truck. I'm in my garage, and I think this is going to be a really good set for this, but I need a name for this segment. So if you have an idea, throw it in the comments down below. I'm going to watch this video, see what people are saying, and we're going to choose something from there. For those of you who haven't seen this segment yet, basically what we do is a short, try to keep it around 2-minute long video talking about something related to overlanding, and then if you guys like it, put something in the comments that you like it, like the video, and I'll try to do a longer video really explaining more in depth, 10, 15, 20-minute long video talking about whatever you guys want to know more about. So today we're talking about an app called What3Words. And when I first saw this, I thought it was a solution to a problem that already had a solution. GPS coordinates seem to work really well, and they have those trail emergency locator signs on a lot of the trails, at least in Michigan. But I reached out to a 911 dispatcher friend of mine, and she said that they've started using this, and it's a really helpful thing to use. The trail locator signs, she said a lot of times they'd either fall off, be covered, and people wouldn't pay attention to them, myself included. You'd see them as you're driving by, but she said a lot of times they'd have a snowmobile accident, they'd have to send somebody away from the person that's hurt down the trail half a mile, whatever, to find that sign and then tell them where they are. And a lot of times the cell phone calls, when it pings it, it's not always accurate, so you need some way to tell the dispatchers where you are. Another thing, GPS coordinates, she said a lot of people don't know what they are, and it's a lot harder to convey that over the phone. It's a long list of numbers, so trying to do that over the phone and then over the radio to the actual first responders, there's a lot of room there for numbers to get mixed up, and she said this is a lot easier. So as you can see here, the whole world is broken into these 10-foot squares, and each square is assigned 3 random words. So all you have to do is whatever square you're in, you just convey that to the 911 dispatcher, or even if it's not an emergency, to the people you're meeting up with. I'm at whatever 3 words your location is, they can type that in and it'll, just like a GPS, take them right to them. I'm still sticking with my Zoleo. I think that's probably the best way for now. Zoleo, if you guys are watching this, are you guys looking at coming out with a device that communicates in the 3 words instead of just the GPS coordinates? That'd be kind of cool. Let me know in the comments down below. Is this something you guys are going to use? I go back and forth on it, but it may have been helpful in this trip right here. So check it out and let me know what you think.